Okay, move this out of the way first. Okay, closing comments. The last thing I want to do here is remind you of just a couple of things as far as the class. First of all, remember, if you're planning on coming on Thursday, I will be here for question and answers. Now, and I don't mean this ugly, but let me do say this. Thursday is for question and answers. It's not to teach you something that you haven't watched on a video. So now, if you've got questions about a problem, that's different. But everything that I've given you in homework, I've given you the process and the steps in the videos if you watch the videos. So Thursday is not a day to teach you how to do something you've never done before. It's for you simply to ask questions on things that you've already practiced. Do let me know if you're going to come on Thursday, just simply that I'll know to expect you. My cell number is 601-433-1012. Remember, if you do come, remember to wear your mask. Remember to check in. Get your temperature tested. You do not have to have a photo ID for Thursday. Now, on Friday, I will begin the exam. I will send you an email out probably today or tomorrow. I'm going to start the exam probably at 11:15. Please do not come in the building before about 5 or 6 minutes after, because my class before you gets out at 11. So that will give them time to clear the building. When you get here on campus early enough to get your temperature tested. Now remember, several things you'll need to bring with you to class when you come. Number one, bring a pencil. Number two, if you want to use a calculator, be sure you bring your calculator. Now remember, when you bring your calculator, you cannot use a graphing calculator with a big graphing screen on it. The reason is you have graphing on your final. And I don't want to know if the computer can graph. I want to know if you can graph those functions. So just a regular scientific calculator. So a pencil and a calculator. Number three, a photo ID. Make sure you remember to bring your photo ID. Number four, bring your little sticker where you've been tested, where you've had your temperature tested. And then number five, and most importantly, or probably most importantly, is your mask. Be sure you remember to wear a mask. Just come to this room 122, in the math building for your final. Now, remember on Friday morning, right at 11 o'clock, all of your homework for the entire semester will close out. So make sure that you have completed all of your homework in MyLabs Plus. If there's any homework sections that you have not worked in, you haven't been penalized up till now. But if there's any sections that you haven't worked in, when all those homework sections close out, you will receive zeros for all of those sections that you haven't received a zero yet, but any homework sections that you haven't completed, you'll receive zeros on. For those of you that's in the college algebra with the lab, you have 2 blue boxes. Make sure you complete all of your quizzes by then as well. And then when you get here, I will go into MyLabs Plus and I will look at your current grade after everything is closed. Let me say again, remember, your homework grade may look really, really good, but if you've got 8 or 9 sections you haven't done, when you get out of class on Friday, you're going to see all those zeros in there, so your homework's going to drop a lot. So make sure you've done all of the sections. But I will take your current homework grade, I will update that into Canvas. And then once I get your final exam graded, I will update it as well. And do remember that if you have to have, you have to be pretty successful on the test. If you've got all 100s on the homework, you have to at least average a 50 for the 2 tests to pass the class. And I'll say this when I send out the email, if you wish to withdraw the class before the final, please be sure that you notify me before Thursday or on Thursday so that I will know to withdraw you from the class. I will not be able to withdraw you after Thursday. So I need you to send me a text. It's the best way for me to get it quickly. 601-433-1012 if you wish to drop the class and you're not coming to take the final. But the deadline for that is for Thursday. Okay, I think I've pretty much covered everything that I need to with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to text me between now and then. And remember to do text me if you're planning on coming to the Q&A on Thursday. I'll probably be here either way, but I just like knowing that you're coming, because if I know that you're coming, I don't want to miss you. So, all right, so I'll see you on Thursday at 11:30 if you come for that. But then the test on Friday, if I don't see you on Thursday, be sure that you are here on Friday at 11:15 for your exam.